Hi everybody, welcome to a new video. As you could have seen, I've been in Portimao, Portugal for the second race of the World Superbike Championship, and well, we had a pretty decent weekend. We scored some points, which was, to be honest, a little bit unexpected, because yeah, Iker had a big crash in Phillip Island, the first race, so yeah, I was already surprised to see him back. And to score as he did was really good to see. So I'm pretty delighted with the weekend. I'm now on my way to the Netherlands because Assen is the next race on the calendar. And well, of course, it's my home race and I'm driving this bit, so it's a long drive. I think it's like 2,600 kilometers. So yeah, it's gonna be a few days in the truck. Also, as you could have seen, not so much footage of the race weekend. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna happen anytime soon. They're not really a big fan of me filming what I do at the track. So yeah, I'm very sorry about this. Yeah, if you don't follow me, I understand. I mean, yeah, it's a little bit behind the scenes you're gonna miss now from me. Is just the traveling bit, and if you are into trucking or maybe logistics, yeah, still interesting, but yeah, apart from that, I can understand if you go somewhere else. So yeah, I'm really sorry about that. I wish I could tell you otherwise, but maybe in the distant future, but yeah, not now. So it is what it is. We have to deal with it. Yeah, nothing more I can do. So yeah, I'm on my way, as I said. Yeah, still a long drive to go. I'm in Spain right now. So I started Sunday night after the race, did like 3.5 hours to Badajoz. This is on the border of Portugal and Spain, and I'm now halfway through Spain, and then I hope to finish the day at the border of France and Spain. So tomorrow I will drive well into France and then sleep again, and then hopefully Wednesday I'm gonna be home. So yeah, still a long drive, but yeah, we'll get there. It's beautiful weather, so I'm gonna enjoy it, and I hope you will enjoy it as well, the final bit of this video. And well, as I said, I hope to see you in the next one. So bye bye.